What is stopping you from living your dreams? Is it fear? Is it doubt? Or is it the invisible lines drawn by society, telling you what you can and cannot do? We all have lines we're afraid to cross, boundaries that hold us back from our true potential. But what if I told you that the most extraordinary journeys begin the moment you choose to cross that line? History 2. Crossing the line is more than just a story. It's a powerful testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity and fight for love. This story reminds us that life's most incredible experiences often lie on the other side of our fears. It teaches us that love knows no boundaries, and that courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision that something else is more important. Think about a time you were afraid to do something, but you did it anyway. Maybe it was speaking up for what you believe in, starting a new hobby, or traveling to a new place. Remember that feeling of accomplishment, that surge of confidence? That's what happens when you step outside your comfort zone. You discover hidden strengths, unlock new possibilities, and realize you're capable of more than you thought. Societal norms, cultural expectations, and even our own limiting beliefs can create barriers in our lives. But just like in history too, crossing the line, we have the power to break them down. It starts with identifying those barriers. What's holding you back? What are you afraid of? Once you know what you're up against, you can start dismantling those barriers, brick by brick, with courage and determination. Section 5. The power of never giving up. Life is full of challenges. Every day we encounter obstacles that test our resolve and push us to our limits. These challenges come in many forms, whether it's a difficult project at work, a personal goal that seems out of reach, or an unexpected setback that throws us off course. There will be setbacks, disappointments, and moments when you want to give up. It's during these times that our true character is revealed. The easy path is to surrender, to let the weight of our struggles keep us down. But giving up means missing out on the growth and strength that come from overcoming adversity. But remember, resilience is not about never falling. It's about getting back up every time you do. Each fall is an opportunity to learn, to become more resilient, and to prove to yourself that you are capable of more than you ever imagined. It's about learning from your mistakes, adjusting your approach, and continuing to move forward, even when it's tough. The journey to success is rarely a straight line. It's filled with twists and turns, highs and lows, but each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. Just like the characters in the story, your persistence will inspire others and ultimately lead you to success. Your determination can light the way for those around you, showing them that with enough grit and perseverance, anything is possible. So, embrace the challenges, cherish the journey, and never ever give up. Section 6. Stronger together, united we stand. In a world that often emphasizes individual achievement, it's easy to forget the power of unity and collaboration. Yet history and personal experiences show us time and again that we are stronger together. No one achieves greatness alone. Every significant accomplishment is built on the foundation of collective effort and mutual support. Whether it's a mountaineer reaching the summit with the help of their team, or a runner crossing the finish line cheered on by friends, the journey is made possible by the people who stand by us. We all need support, encouragement, and a team of people who believe in us, especially when we're facing our biggest challenges. It's in these moments of struggle that the bonds of friendship and teamwork become our greatest assets. A simple high five or a word of encouragement can be the difference between giving up and pushing forward. In History 2 Crossing the Line, the characters find strength in each other. They face numerous obstacles, but it's their unity and collective resolve that help them overcome the toughest trials. Each character brings their unique strengths to the table, creating a synergy that propels them forward. They support each other's dreams, offer a helping hand when needed, and celebrate each other's victories. These moments of shared joy and mutual support are what make their journey memorable and impactful. It's a reminder that our successes are sweeter and our burdens lighter when shared with others. Remember, you don't have to face your fears alone. Even when you feel isolated, there are people who care about you and are willing to help. Sometimes all it takes is reaching out and letting them know you need support. Reach out to your friends, family, or mentors. Their support can make all the difference. In times of uncertainty and challenge, the strength we draw from our relationships can be a powerful force. So, embrace the power of unity, lean on your support network, and remember that together, we can achieve greatness. Section 7. My own journey of crossing lines. I've had my own share of lines to cross. Each line represented a boundary, a challenge, or a fear that I had to overcome. These lines were not just physical barriers, but emotional and mental ones as well. They were the invisible chains that held me back from reaching my true potential. Leaving a stable job to pursue my passion for helping others was a terrifying leap of faith. I remember the sleepless nights, the endless doubts, and the fear of the unknown. It felt like standing on the edge of a cliff, not knowing if I would fall or fly. But deep down, I knew that staying in my comfort zone would mean living a life unfulfilled. But it was the best decision I ever made. The moment I took that leap, I felt a sense of liberation. It was as if a weight had been lifted off my shoulders. I began to see the world in a new light, full of possibilities and opportunities. Every small victory, every milestone achieved reinforced my belief that I was on the right path. It taught me the importance of believing in myself, facing my fears, and never giving up on my dreams. The journey was not easy, and there were times when I wanted to give up, but each challenge I faced made me stronger, more resilient, and more determined to succeed. I learned that the only limits we have are the ones we place on ourselves. It also showed me the incredible power of connection and the importance of surrounding myself with positive, supportive people. The journey of crossing lines is not one that should be taken alone. The encouragement, love, and support of friends and family can make all the difference. Together, we can achieve more than we ever thought possible. This journey has been a testament to the strength of the human spirit and the boundless potential that lies within each of us. Section 8. Now, it's your turn. What lines are you afraid to cross in your own life? What dreams are you putting on hold because of fear or doubt? It's time to break free from those limitations and step into your full potential. Embrace the unknown, challenge the status quo, and never be afraid to cross the line. Your journey starts now.